Okay guys, welcome to another video. We will be playing Subway Surfers today, and we're gonna try to beat like the max score and stuff. See how far we can beat in the game and stuff. As you can see, the world tour is Bali. Subway Surfers World Tour Bali. And player tip: activate your hoverboard when you see obstacles in front of you, and if you don't know what to do. So activate your hoverboard. Just double tap the screen. If you have hoverboards, just double tap the screen, it'll come up. So that's how you do it. And it says Bayez, Dhaka, and Bangladesh. I do not know what those two words mean, but yeah. And so let's get started. It says welcome. It just says, welcome to Bali. As you see, it says welcome fresh twine. I didn't choose that. It just you know my this things I don't know. It just does it because that's my name on my YouTube channel. Oh, they gave me a free hoverboard. That's so cool. Another. Let's go. I'm so happy. I really want this skin as the boy. They added Kim, Ramona, and Nikos. And they added me. Awards. We don't have any awards. Now I'm gonna start. I forgot to the shop. Free stuff. Here's all the free stuff. Let's go, guys. I wonder why the officer is wearing a black outfit and so am I. But this is actually fun though. Like, this is a fun game for me because I like running around and stuff. Oh, look at the magnet. I wish there's some like glitch when you use the magnet and it comes up when you have the little jump boost thing. It will take the things from it'll take the coins from behind you too. That'd be so nice. Okay, and as you can see, it's gonna tell you what my score is in the top right corner. So my score, and then on the top, no, not top, but middle right corner. In middle right corner, it's gonna show you my high score. Well, my recent high score is going down because I'm beating it right now, or it's going through. Okay, if I don't see scores, or looking for the word score. What? I'm using a coin on there because it said jump. Like when you jump, you're supposed to jump, but it made me jump through there like that and hit that. So sorry guys. Added to a coin for the keys. This run, yeah, like that one right there. I was supposed to jump down there, but all of a sudden it did like that. So let's keep going and see how far we can get. After this, we're not using any more keys. Cause a long time ago, I just lost all my keys. And yeah, I'm doing a massive giveaway for 58 and stuff to people who are in stone and who not have many guns and stuff. So those who are the people I'm giving guns mostly to. After this start, I'm gonna give them some guns and stuff for their missions, but not 130s because I need my 130s so I can trade and stuff. As you know, Afraid Spiral, he's quitting Fortnite, and it's Afraid Spiral YT. He's quitting Fortnite at season 10. So yeah, and I'm glad I didn't slide. So I'm gonna put my username in the description, so you guys can friend me and we can like play some Save the World together, whatever. That was lucky right there. I was so lucky. Oh yeah, by the way, like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. if you're new, watch the first video called "Welcome to the Channel," cause that'll get you like started and stuff. So yeah, that should be the first video you guys should be watching if you didn't watch the other videos. I wonder when I'm gonna die. I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was just about to die. I went through the train. That's so luck right there. As you guys can see, I have gotten better. Because I'm going to beat my score soon. As you can see, I just beat my score. So I'm done with my score. Let's see my new score. It's going to still be in the top right corner of my score right now. What? I jumped. Okay, that's my score, guys. With my prize box. Ooh. Jake's spray can. God. You know I scored 23,190. That's a good score right there. I wanna. Is that miles or yeah? That's fast right there. So you didn't see how many coins I got. I got 757, and that's it. That was really long. Actually, that was like 6 minutes. I don't know what this is I'm running on. Okay, guys, and now we're gonna do Jelly Shift. This is a really good game. You guys should try this game. I can get Fortnite on Android if you know that. So yeah, I cannot get Fortnite on Android, but I can make videos on my PlayStation, but it will have no audio. I'm sorry, guys. That's just how it works. I hereby consent to say games processing of my personal data to personalize and improve the game and targeted advertisements in a game through advertising networks and their partners based on. By checking on the box above, I accept that I read privacy. I accept that my age is older than 16. I understand that I can always withdraw my consent at any game from within the settings. By the way, guys, I'm only 10. And I'm still gonna accept this. See, I'm playing this game though. Why is it all blurry? Guys, please tell me if you played this game already. It would be really fun for you guys to make a YouTube channel too. It's really easy. Like, it's super easy. It's not that hard. All you have to do is just go to the little top thing where your name and stuff is, and it's or whatever, and press on that, and it might say create channel, whatever. You can do that. Easy. Oh, perfect. Perfect again. Perfect. Get destroyed. I did it. I did it without failing. Claim my 100. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm ready. I want some fruit. See, I'm really good at this game, guys. Yeah. You have to be really fast at this game. Ah, shoot, I messed up. I'm sorry, guys. Ah, shoot. It's getting farther away from me. No. It left me. No. It left me. No. My grape, it left me. It left me. How dare it do that? How dare it do that? How dare you bully me? How dare you bully me? Yeah, I'm done. I'm out. I just know I'm dead. Oh, can I beat it? Can I beat it? Can I beat it? Can I beat? Ah, shoot! Why you bullying me? I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid. This is my hardest. This is my worst enemy. Oh, thank you. Ooh. Wait, why won't let me go? I'm gonna leave it and then start now. Okay, it's working now. Okay, I got 18 points right now. It's trying to make me fail like that. Yeah, I got the wolf skin, guys. Like, I think it's the OG skin for me. I like the skin. It's really fun. Okay. I'm coming for you, grapes. Grapes, I'm coming for you. I got the grape. I got the grape. I got it. I got them. I got them grapes. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, watch the first video. Because then it will explain everything to you. It will literally explain everything. Yeah, I lost again. I was supposed to give me a thing right there. Okay. How is this banana juking everything? Please tell me that. How is this banana a juker? This thing like zig, zag. How is this thing a juker? Please give me the fruit. Please give me the fruit. No! Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me right there? Why are you bullying me? Why? Yo! Why are you bullying? Why did this game bully? Why? Why are you bullying me? What'd I do to you? Guys, this is my last try. If I get it, I'll be so happy. Oh gosh. Yes, I got him. I'm out of favor. I'm out of favor. No, the fever better run out. Fever better run out. No. Yeah, let's go. I got the banana. Now I gotta get a lollipop, I think. That's a lollipop. That's a lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop. Lolly, lolly, lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop. Lolly, lolly, lollipop. I bet I'm gonna fail this. I bet. Yeah, I'm done for it. Please, lollipop, don't leave me, lollipop. Don't leave me, lollipop. Lolly, lolly, lollipop. Don't leave me, lollipop. No, lollipop. No, the lollipop left me again. Why are you bullying me? What do you... I swear. What do you do... Are you kidding me? At 516... And I didn't know what to do with them. Wow. Just... Wow. I'm gonna... This thing, what is it? See, I did that, guys. I did that. Oh, the big strawberry. I hate strawberries. I'm just kidding. I love strawberries. Please tell me I can fail this level. I don't want to fail. I'm a rectangle. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop the video right here because apparently, you know, I cannot go longer than 15 minutes. So, guys, have a good time. Bye. Like and subscribe. Watch the first video. Welcome. And bye, guys. Have a good time.